I'm moving loose within these walls. The mercury hum, the static breath. My smile's a mask, a tempered chain. I labor slow, transmute to death. Through screens I watch her shadow crawl. Across the glass my private fall. Each hour melts a molten prayer. Each bruise of silence kills the air. She says you're still an animal, forged in suits. Sign our devotions, my substitute. She feeds me embers, a ration of fire. I live for the burn she calls desire. Touch turns to metal, breath turns to gold. She decides when the gate unfolds. I'm the lid and the plea, the mercy she gave. She frees me only when I behave. But I'm a bad, bad boy. 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 Her voice cuts through the overtime, like acid rain I come undone. She lays her hand, command not grace. My world dissolves at her holy face. She says you're still an animal, even in the nude. I know shame helps me reconstitute. She feeds me quicksilver, a ration of fire. I live for this burn she calls desire. Touch turns to silver, breath turns to gold. She writes the law, the flame foretold. I'm the war and the oath, the pain she gave. She seals my cage when I behave. Yeah, I'm a bad, bad boy. But I'm a bad, bad boy. But I'm a bad, bad boy. But I'm a bad, bad boy. Ash to spark and spark to flesh. She stirs the sword where sins coalesce. Her eyes that killed my bones, the cold. She tempers the beast, distills the soul. Touch turns to vapor, gold cools to clay. Still I wait for her lunar sway. She sleeps in the dark, I stay in the light, counting my bars till the next